I am Dr. Sanjay Sharma. I am now ready to chat with all my friends at Sify.com.
Doctor, the treatment therapy has been known to be very prolonged. Is there a method in which it could be shortened?
Yeah, it is now in busy lifestyles of everybody, science is also changing and they have to. For the simple reason that it is not logistically possible for people to stay away from their homes to take treatment for a longer period of time. So, especially in breast cancer, where in European countries also people cannot be staying 6 weeks or cannot be going every day for radiation therapy. Similarly, now treatment is becoming simpler. Previously we used to do a lot of mastectomy. Now we do breast conservative surgery where patient goes home in 48 hours time. We are saving the breast. Now what happened when we were saving the breast, we were giving radiation therapy for 6 weeks. But it was difficult logistically. Like I had a patient who was a very young lady who used to stay in Dombivli and very beautiful, pretty 24-year-old with a 4-year-old kid. She came and she said, "Sir, save my breast." I said, "But you have to take 6 weeks of radiation therapy." She started crying. She said, "No, I can't leave my house for more than 2 days. My husband is a temporary worker. He cannot leave a job even for a day except one day he can take a leave on Saturday for my operation. I have a 4-year-old kid where I cook for him. I take him every day to the bus to go to the school. I have nobody at home to look after. In that case, if you cannot shorten that period, please remove my breast." And I did 4 years back. Now we have a newer treatment for such patients and started in England, now in Europe and in India also. We are the first one to start that. This is called as intraoperative radiotherapy. So if you get a very early breast cancer, as this girl from Dombivli had, now patient need not lose the breast for logistic reasons. You don't have to come 6 weeks. What we do is we remove the tumor on the table, operation table. We send them for examination on the table and find out that the margins are clear, your glands are negative. We use one machine called intraoperative radiotherapy. This machine is a high intra-beam radiation therapy on the table. It gives over in 20 minutes. Patient stays only 2 days in the hospital. The entire treatment for 6 weeks is over in 20 minutes. Patient need not come back to us for 6 weeks treatment daily. And that's where in India, for probably rural areas, if they are detecting lump early, this type of machines are fantastic, probably very necessary. And now more and more such machines, if they develop, I'm sure we'll be able to save more breasts and lives.
Is it true that even a healthy lifestyle can trigger cancer? Your last words on cancer prevention.
Like I've been insisting upon this whole afternoon is that unfortunately the problem is because of lifestyle changes. Everybody is so busy and their work and the life is a revolving process because of the dietary changes that has a man and a woman kind in India have inculcated. This has to really change into balanced diets. Secondly, more importantly, exercise has to be a very important integral part if you have to prevent cancer. Unfortunately, in that case, probably you will be having some kind of genetic mutation, which you may not be able to know. So, try and reduce it if you are having a balanced diet or a balanced lifestyle.